up, guys? Today is another cooking with colty. I know I haven't been uploading for a while, but all that aside, let's get into it. So we got 4. We got some magic. So if we put some of these in, sprinkle some of this in, and then we put it down. It's not plugged in. And if you turn around, it should be done. Whoa, it's already done. That's a plate. Oh, and look at that. It's ready. So we don't need this. Guess we gotta use the other stuff. Oh, was I mentioning that we made a candy sandwich? Yep. Here we go. Looks like a lot got sticked on it. It's like s'mores, but different. A lot different. And now I gotta wash it, so it doesn't mix up with it. You looking at it? Some of the big YouTubers do a bunch of stuff. Our small creators don't get any likes. Even though we try so hard. I don't know how to edit. I watch videos. Don't have a computer. What is this? Sprinkles. Good. Some marshmallow Nutella sandwich. Yum. And it will taste good. Okay. Sprinkle them. Each. We're gonna mix it up. There you go. Mix it in. Now I gotta mix this. I'm gonna grab the rice cooker. And to break it apart, leave it in the middle. Break it this side. Put some in there. Put some in there. Put some in there. Should be good. So and then if we put it in the microwave for like 5-10 seconds. I almost put it in there with no plate. Oh god, that's do it. Chapter 2 to be ready. Okay? Now do chapter 2 to make it ready. Should be done. No, not really. Something you should leave it in there. couple more seconds. So let's come over here. Let's draw on our board. Oh, wrong thing. Now let's check on it. That's pretty good. Here we go. And here you have it. 2 candy sandwiches. Oh. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do.